Hi, I'm Jen Dixon, artist and tutor, and I've been selling my work for over 30 years. In that time, I've picked up and made up a bunch of tips and tricks for making the most of my art space and practice. Studio Fu is my take on Kung Fu, which literally means time spent on skillful work. Studio Fu classes are short and will help you to make the most of your time, tools, and techniques as an artist. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started. To create your bamboo pen, here's what you need. You'll need some bamboo. You should be able to get that at your local garden center. You'll need woodworking knives or a very good pocket knife. You'll need a Stanley blade or a snap-off knife. You'll want a drill or a Dremel with that teeny tiny drill bit. You'll want a saw and some masking tape, or I'm going to use the cutting wheel on my Dremel. A bit of sandpaper. A chunk of scrap wood. Some protective gear. These are cut-proof gloves, and I'll be wearing my normal glasses. And I also have a custom thimble that I put on my thumb just to protect the pad of my thumb. Now, if you don't have something similar, you can just rely on the thumb of the glove, or you can wrap a cotton ball with a Band-Aid around it. Of course, some ink. And you'll need about 15 minutes to carve.